Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's on everyone's mind these days. Artificial intelligence and how it's set to take over jobs in the upcoming future. This isn't just speculation. It's happening right now and faster than most of us can keep up. So, grab your coffee, sit back, and let's get into it. AI has already started to revolutionize various industries. From self-driving cars to AI-driven customer service bots, the technology is evolving at an unprecedented rate. Just think about it. 10 years ago, the idea of AI doing our jobs seemed like something out of a sci-fi movie. Now, it's becoming our reality. Companies like OpenAI, Google, and Amazon are pouring billions into developing AI systems that can outperform humans in tasks like data analysis, decision-making, and even creative work. But what does this mean for you and me? Are we about to witness a mass extinction of jobs? Let's break it down. Which jobs are most at risk? First up, we have manufacturing. Robots have been in factories for decades, but AI is taking automation to the next level. AI systems can now monitor production lines, identify defects, and make real-time adjustments, all without human intervention. This could lead to massive layoffs in the manufacturing sector. Next, transportation. Autonomous vehicles are on the rise, and once they become mainstream, millions of truck drivers, delivery drivers, and even taxi drivers could be out of work. It's not just about the technology, it's about the cost savings for companies. Why pay a human driver when an AI can do the job 24/7 without breaks? Then there's healthcare. AI is already diagnosing diseases more accurately than doctors in some cases. Imagine a world where AI-powered robots perform surgeries, analyze lab results, and even prescribe treatments. The need for human healthcare workers could drastically decrease. Finally, the financial sector. AI is already being used to predict market trends, manage investments, and even offer financial advice. Jobs like financial analysts, traders, and advisors could see a significant decline. Now, you might think that creative jobs like writing, design, or music are safe from AI. But that's not entirely true. AI tools like GPT-4, hey, that's me, can generate human-like text, create art, and even compose music. We're seeing AI-generated content that's sometimes indistinguishable from human work. Companies are starting to use AI to generate marketing copy, design logos, and even write scripts. If you're in a creative field, it's time to start thinking about how to adapt. The competition isn't just other humans anymore, it's AI. But it's not all doom and gloom. There's a huge debate going on about whether AI will actually take away jobs or just change the nature of work. Some experts believe that while AI will eliminate certain jobs, it will also create new ones that we can't even imagine yet. Think about it. When computers first came onto the scene, people were worried about job losses, but it led to the creation of entirely new industries. The same could happen with AI. New roles like AI ethics officers, data scientists, and robot maintenance specialists are already emerging. But the big question is, will these new jobs be enough to replace the old ones? And will they require skills that most of the workforce doesn't currently have? So, what can you do to prepare? First off, start adapting. Be aware of the changes happening in your industry and stay ahead of the curve. If you're in a job that's at risk, now might be the time to start thinking about a career shift. Next, learn new skills. Upskilling and reskilling will be crucial. Consider learning about AI, data analysis, or other tech-related fields. There are tons of online courses available, many of them for free. And finally, evolve. Be open to change. The job market of the future is going to look very different from what we know today. Those who can adapt and evolve with the times will be the ones who thrive. So, what do you think? Will AI take over our jobs, or will it just transform them? Are you excited about the possibilities, or worried about the future? I want to hear from you. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and keep exploring.